Under the cloak of darkness, the Indian-crested porcupine emerges. A master forager, searching for roots in the hard earth.
But he is not alone. High above, a silent shadow watches. The leopard. Ambush. The hunter descends. But the porcupine is no feasy meal. He deploys a fortress of spears. A mistake. The porcupine charges backwards, a reverse ram. Tonight, the hunter goes hungry. The forest belongs to the defender. They test his nerves. He answers with a warning rattle, a sound of impending pain. Chaos is their weapon. They try to turn him, to expose the soft underbelly. In the undergrowth, death creates no sound. The rock python is a master of silence. Poor eyesight makes the porcupine oblivious to the cold gaze waiting ahead.
Goal is booked and hold.
But the target changes in a split second. A mouthful of needles.
Instinct says squeeze, but to squeeze a porcupine is to embrace a cactus.
The constrictor realizes the trap. Every ounce of pressure brings pain.
Retreat is the only option. The impenetrable fortress holds.
The defender wastes no time celebrating. Survival is just another Tuesday night.
In the wild, the sharpest defense beats the strongest grip. The honey badger. Pound for pound, the most fearless animal on Earth. He takes what he wants. But tonight, an immovable object blocks his path. Most animals run. The badger chooses violence. His skin is thick and loose. He bites through the defense. Pain is just information, and he ignores it. But the porcupine is a tank. Mass times acceleration equals impact.
The defender wastes no time celebrating. Survival is just another Tuesday night.
In the wild, the sharpest defense beats the strongest grip. Terminal velocity.
For the porcupine, venturing out in daylight is a risk. He is exposed, the golden eagle, the lord of the skies. His vision is 8 times sharper than a human's.
A calculated risk goes wrong.
The armor bites back. The prey becomes the aggressor. A reverse ram. The Sky Lord admits defeat. Hunger is better than a pierced wing. Reflexes save him. The talons meet a wall of spears.
He is slow, he is grounded, but he is unbreakable.
In the battle between talon and quill, the earth holds its ground. Thirst drives him to the edge, but the river hides secrets. A predator that has survived the dinosaurs. He waits. One moment of vulnerability is all it takes.
Reflexes honed by evolution. He presents the shield.
Ambush. The river explodes. On land, the dragon is clumsy. The knight holds his ground.
The river claims many things, but not today. Survival is a game of inches and sharp points. The water waits for the next visitor, but the porcupine walks free. A termite mound, a treasure chest of protein. But he is not the only one with a sweet tooth. The sloth bear, poor eyesight, bad temper, and very sharp claws.
Get out of my way! The giant demands the table. But the porcupine has claimed this spot. He raises the flag of war.
The bear uses brute force, claws designed to break concrete.
But brute force fails against a bed of nails. He leaves with an empty stomach and a sore nose. The winner takes the spoils. Peace returns to the mound. In the jungle, size is strength, but courage is armor. Winter hardens the earth. Food is scarce, and every root is a prize. But a rival approaches. A tank made of muscle and bad attitude. Tusks grind against quills. A warning before the war. The boar chooses force. A living battering ram.
Unstopper force meets immovable object.
Stubbornness has a limit. Pain draws the line. The tank retreats to fight another day.
The prize remains with the defender. A relic of the dinosaur age. The Bengal monitor moves with cold purpose. The porcupine claims the prize, but the lizard wants a share.
Scales puff up. Quills rattle. A dialogue of threats. The lizard's tail is a weapon, a bone-breaking whip. Even armored scales cannot stop the needle. He attacks low, targeting the legs, but the fortress is mobile.
Gravity binds the winner to the earth. The prize is his.
Reptiles are fast forward, but slow in reverse. The porcupine takes advantage.
The lizard seeks the high ground, a place the tank cannot follow. Scales and spikes, survivors of a timeless war.